Jerry, based on everything you're saying here, the issue is not actually your ads. The issue is your offer. We need to dial in the avatar, what you're selling to them, and your pricing structure around it so you can charge more than your competition and afford a $200, $300 cost per booked call. And then we're going to work on the VSL. So now I prescribe to you this solution, right?
Mhm.
And when you came in, you weren't thinking, oh, I need help on my offer. If I said, hey, we're a great company that helps with offers, Jerry, you'd be like, I don't fucking need help with my offer. I just need help on
Yeah,
my ads, right?
for sure,
Because
for
nobody
sure.
wants to hear that it's their offer that needs help. They just think they need a new ad creative or a new funnel. So
Exactly.
it's almost like tell them what they want, give them what they need. It's the same thing for you. So you're going to say, we can help place an appointment center business that books 30 to 50 appointments in the first month or whatever, 20 to 30 in the first month. And if it doesn't work, you don't pay. Now, not only are they going to be incredibly talented, they do this, but you're typically going to pay an appointment setter $5,000 to $8,000 a month. Ours, you're paying, $1,500 to $2,500 a month, and they're working even harder than their U.S. based counterparts. And then they get on the call, and you say, "Great, so you're looking for an appointment setter to get to do DM setting or let's say phone setting. Let's walk through a little bit about how many leads you're getting a day and what does that look like and what's your show." So you're doing this diagnostic, and then you're saying, "Okay, so it's clear you do need an appointment setter." But just like I was saying a second ago, if we give you one today, which we could, it's probably going to crash and burn pretty quickly because you don't have this, this, and this, which is
Mhm.
why we're not just like a placement agency. We really follow a holistic practice, which is why our average client stays with us for almost a little bit over a year, about 13 months. And so the first thing we're going to come in is optimize your offer and your marketing process. Then we're going to place the virtual assistant, and then we're going to help manage them and optimize them from that point forward. And so when you do it, you frame it that way, it feels custom, even though it's relatively productized.
For
And
sure.
whenever you drop the price point, $6, $8, $10,000 for 90 days of it up front, it's going to be more palatable for these people.
That makes sense.
If you want me and my team to install any of these systems in your business done for you, make sure you go down below and book a free revenue system diagnostic call. We're going to get on a call, identify your biggest bottleneck, and show you exactly what we would do to solve it there live. The best news is we offer every single client a no questions asked money back guarantee.